Hello, my name is Ken Reed, and we are now looking at wall display page number 20 of the DYO Green Building Decision Kit under the title Energy Alternatives. 20A is solar siting or solar ready homes and buildings. 20B is solar systems, passive versus active options. 20C is passive solar. 20D is passive thermal storage. 20E is active solar systems thermal for heating water or air. 20F is solar domestic hot water systems for heating hot water, of course, or heating water to be hot. 20G is battery storage systems. 20H is active solar photovoltaic PV systems, solar electric. 20I is grid connected net metering, how that works. 20J is wind microturbines and wind energy systems. 20K is hydropower, mini hydro systems for creeks, streams. And then number 20L is fuel cells. We'll also look at other new alternatives that are on the market. So this will be a very interesting discussion topic.